What the new building represents for us is the endeavor to build on the successes and the tradition of the Yeshivah of Flatbush on the one hand, but also to recognize the needs of our students for a physically up-to-date, modern facility. We want our students to have the best.
The Flatbush mission represents what I think the best of American Jewry should really aspire to be, which is proud, practicing Jews, but also at the same time to be productive members of society at large.
I considered 2 different schools, and what really convinced me to come to Flatbush was I just saw so many of the seniors and the people who went to the school. They were so happy that they were here.
Flatbush has always been about challenging students, inspiring students, pushing them beyond their comfort zone, getting them to explore.
Academically, it's challenging, which is good, what you need to succeed in life.
There's a high-working expectancy here. It's not just academic. It's the ability to say, I can change the world.
The classes themselves are very rigorous. Flatbush offers a ton of AP classes.
What I got out of the class was so much more than just a math class. I got lessons in life.
You basically get credit for college in high school.
One of the greatest things about Flatbush is the teachers care about your success, teaching you things that are going to be valuable in life.
Our responsibility is to challenge, to push kids to the best versions of themselves.
The teachers, they're always there to help you. Their job isn't just to teach you and to get the job done. They want to help you along the way. They want you to learn to learn.
The teacher wants the best for you and take out of it not just knowledge, but an experience.
I'm trying to get my students to be creative, independent, analytical thinkers, be ready for work, ready for college.
In the college world, I could tell the Flatbush graduates from the non-Flatbush graduates.
My 3 older siblings graduated Flatbush right when they went into college. They came home after 2 weeks and said, this is so easy compared to what I've done in Flatbush.
I'm going to be starting in 2 weeks at Stanford. I'm probably going to study math and/or computer science.
I saw all the extracurriculars that they had, and it was such a big variety of things that I could choose from compared to other schools.
Our school has 20 different sports teams that any kid can do.
If you find an interest or something that you want to explore, you can start your own commission.
Pathfinders is a program where you're able to learn about different types of career opportunities. They want you to be ready for the real world.
We want students to strive for excellence. We want you to excel and exceed in Torah. The same goes true for your secular studies. Each one is going to inform the other. Each one is going to make the other one better.
We aim to teach our students that the Torah is not old and archaic. On the contrary, it applies today to our modern lives and to our everyday lives as much as it did to our great-grandparents' generation.
I love to learn Torah. It's there for you to lead your life. It's not just a book, it's like instructions.
I love the Hebrew studies in Flatbush. Flatbush makes it very exciting. The Judaic studies here is great. Everyone is so encouraged to ask questions, and that's what I really love.
In Gemara class, I left knowing tons and tons of Gemara information, but I also left with different ways to think, a different view on life.
So a student who studies Jewish history at Flatbush, I think, walks out not only knowledgeable about his past, but proud about his past and understanding what his or her role is in the broader story of the Jewish people.
That's really what being Jewish is about. It's being a good person, having good values, good morals, and always wanting to help people.
We are taking our trip to Israel. It's called the Chesed Mission to Israel, doing Chesed from morning till night, visiting hospitals, visiting children's homes.
Yeshivah of Flatbush has a very well-known legacy. There's been tons of very well-known and successful graduates.
We've graduated well over 10,000 graduates, and anywhere you look, they're making a difference.
Flatbush is the key to success in my children's future. What we're trying to do with our students is to come out as good people, compassionate, learning how to learn. Flatbush is a great guide for my children. It's a place for a student to achieve, to be successful, to also have love for Torah and love for learning.
It's a great place for families who want to educate the next generation of Jewish leaders and thinkers who are active in their communities, both Jewish and outside the Jewish world as well.
I look forward to coming to school every single day. I love it, and even though at times school itself could get stressful, Flatbush keeps the environment fun and loving, and I really love school. I really think you should come to Flatbush. It's so great here. You would really love it. The atmosphere is fun. There's always events you can go to, community, and the teachers are also helpful. You really feel like you're cared about. This is going to be your next 4 years of your life, and you really won't regret it. It will be a great experience.